latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda, who helmed the 1996 accord between the two countries, is skeptical of restoration of normalcy in relations between India and China. Deve Gowda also called the Chinese attack on Indian soldiers heinous and said that there are several questions regarding various decisions and what actually led to the clash in Galwan Valley. Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh has sternly told Shiromani Akali Dal Chief Sukhbir Singh Badal to open his eyes to the secessionist threat of anti-Indian forces and to stop indulging in political theatrics over the alleged misuse of anti-terror law UAPA. The Chief Minister made the cutting retort days after Badal accused the state police of misusing the anti-terror law. The Aam Aadmi Party has decided to stage a protest today against the Punjab government's decision to provide plasma to private hospitals at an astronomical rate for the treatment of coronavirus patients. The party's state unit chief Bhagwant Mann has said the absurd and anti-people decisions of the state and central governments were forcing people to take to the streets amid the coronavirus pandemic. A Pakistani court has formed a special bench to take up the case of Kulbhushan Jadhav, who was sentenced for his alleged involvement in spying. The move has come amid India's allegations against Pakistan, saying that Islamabad has blocked all its efforts to seek remedies in the case. The Indian External Affairs Ministry has said that India was committed to protecting the life of Indian death row convict Kulbhushan Jadhav amid reports that the Islamabad High Court has constituted a two-member bench to hear a review petition in his case. According to the media reports quoting sources, the Indian government is likely to take a final call on the restoration of 4G mobile internet services in the Kashmir Valley after Independence Day celebrations are over. ISRO Chief K. Sivan has said that the space agency will allow the private sector to set up their own launch pad at the Sriharikota Launch Center. Sivan also said that ISRO is ready to share its expertise for free with private sector in areas where monetary support is not involved, like providing technical support. The Kerala government has decided to implement home isolation for COVID-19 patients. In the first phase of the plan, health workers who have tested positive but are asymptomatic would be allowed to opt for home isolation on an experimental basis. Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio is under home quarantine after a few staffers of his residential complex tested positive for COVID-19. According to the officials, the residential complex is being sanitized and all the standard operating procedures are being followed.